Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through exactly how to check your Uber rating so you can see your current standing as a passenger. This quick guide will help you find your personal score and understand the feedback you have received from drivers. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open your Uber app on Android by tapping the icon on your home screen or within your application drawer. This is the first essential step to access your personal dashboard where all of your profile information and trip history are securely stored. Step 2 is to then click on Account at the very bottom right corner of the screen to enter your primary navigation menu. This section is important because it acts as the central hub for managing your payments, settings, and viewing your overall status on the platform. Step 3 is to now look at the very top left, right under your name, to see your rating displayed as a numerical star value. This score is a direct reflection of your behavior as a passenger and is often checked by drivers before they decide to accept your ride request. Step 4 is to tap on the rating to see more information on how it is calculated and to understand the breakdown of your stars. Accessing this detailed view is helpful because it explains the feedback system and shows you how to maintain a high score for better service. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.